Hapadang ke jingja rangai ke padang shan ki nawan jengok kai perthai ki balik sang suari syagi than sora haka arpu khandai tere ujemmang araja arpusan uba pol lingdo u menteri ka kam jengok kai perthai ulapan pau baki jaka jengok kai haki than sora ki dang long ki basngan bar ki badang don bun ngot ki bre ki batu chakate ka than Habapun kesan halor kani wapol ula seiru dakin nuksa ya ki jingja jarngai syaki wipat ki jela bat kiri batru bakari India kadang long ningkong haga jinglong sngan ki jaka jengok kai perthai Halor ke jingja ngai ki sijur ki nongwan jengok kai na indoor ke jela Madhya Pradesh uba polling do uloong banang kaliang ke sarkar kala simkhia bha halor ke ni ke jingja bar kala pha ya ba AL hek u menteri ke sarkar jela ban hiar dala dia syakate ke jaka par ki bor pulit ki dang penlong ke jingwat yaki
The fact that we already have a robust ecosystem in place is proven by the phenomenon of growing footfalls in the Sora region. And you can check this out for yourself. All hotels, resorts, homestays are packed to capacity. The fact that this unfortunate incident has occurred only means that, as I would like to repeat myself, we in the department cannot actually police every single inch of tourist destinations. Now, for instance, we have a gentleman from Shillong who traveled to Thailand and did not return, has not been traced 6 months from till today. Would you then say that Thailand is not safe for tourists? Okay, so the fact that these tourists will, when they travel to destinations like the living root bridges, we already have local guides everywhere. But now supposing somebody decides to venture beyond what is safe, what would be the role of the government? Therefore, the continuous rise in footfalls only proves that Sora is still a very popular tourist destination. As far as this case is concerned, we have taken up the matter right at the level of the Chief Minister, who spoke to his counterpart, and also a senior minister of the cabinet, Bahek, had personally gone to the site on behalf of the state government. We have pressed into service all possible rescue operations. So that is briefly what government has done till today. Well, he has his own opinions, and since they are affected by the incident, obviously he will say a lot of things, sometimes overstating things also. But you have to realize that Meghalaya has a challenging topography and terrain. This is nothing like in the plains of India. We have challenging terrain, difficult to access. We have even villages which are not reachable, which is why, for instance, in the first instance, we have living root bridges. Why? Because our ancestors could not cross from one village to reach the next village. So they came up with living root bridges. See, each day gives us fresh insight and is a learning experience. So we will incorporate those points. We are extremely cautious about making sure that any travel plans to Meghalaya should be free of risks of disaster. But again, we have also issued an advisory, already issued this advisory months back as to the do's and don'ts. And you should also keep this in mind that in Meghalaya, tourism is a community-based activity. It is not the government. We own very few of the destinations. In fact, all of these destinations are owned by either private individuals or the local community. But the government is there to support, and I'd like you guys to also Google the number of tourists who go missing and who actually died in while traveling as tourists, different destinations. And India is still one of the safest. Even the UK and the US are no longer considered safe for travel. So this is just an instance where, as far as our reports available with us suggest, most probably the couple must have gone beyond the range and were not accompanied by guides. Now, when people go on a honeymoon, obviously they would not like to have a guide by their side. Then what do you do? So there are certain things which are beyond the control of man.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha kajing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.